this is Harry, and I am reviewing the Silent PA by Vocopro. It is a stationary transmitter that I have a laptop plugged into, and it's going to transmit sound to a receiver that's hooked up to a little speaker so we can take a walk outside and check out the distance. So I'm going to hit play, and we're going to go for a walk. We are going outside in a residential neighborhood. This is a 900 megahertz frequency transmitter receiver system, and we're outside where there's baby monitors and cordless phones, and there's a highway right there with thousands of cars going by transmitting who knows what. There's also a firehouse. That's my beige house, and we're gonna walk. Now we have a tree blocking the signal. We're still getting a very strong signal. The transmitter is in the house. Now we're about a house away. Still getting a good strong signal. Now we have another tree and another bush blocking the signal. Still very strong. Still transmitting. Still transmitting about 1, 2, 3 houses away. Oop. Cut out just a little bit there. We're gonna go out in the street here. I think it's because I'm walking. Okay. I'm gonna go across the street. I don't know how far this is. It's gotta be about 300 feet. Keep going. I'll be using this for a wireless speaker system at DJing for events, so I don't think I'll ever work an event where I do this far from my DJ booth, but we're going to keep going. That's my beige house. This is still outdoors on a cloudy day, so there's a lot of water on the grass, but this 900 megahertz frequency is really working well. Still working great. I'm gonna let the song start over. I have it on loop. There we go. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses away so far. We're still going. Still strong signal. I can't think of any application where I would be this far with a wireless speaker from my DJ booth. Let's stop it. It's cutting out a little bit. Let's see. Nope, still working. Cuts out when I start walking a little bit. Not sure why. It might be the wire connected to the receiver. Let's stop again. Well, that's cutting off right about there. So we are 1, that's my house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses away. Before it started cutting out a little bit. Yeah, that's about the distance. When I walk, it cuts out, but when I stop, it's fine. Good distance. Once again, it's the Vocopro Silent PA. This is a stationary unit that I'm testing. This one is AC powered. You can have as many receivers like this as you want. Again, this is broadcasting from inside that beige house. guess everybody's performance might vary depending on where they are. And this is the 900 megahertz frequency, but it also has 16 different channels to choose from. So if you get an interference on one, you can easily change it to a different one. This frequency is less filled than the 2.4 gigahertz frequency that I've been using prior to this. It's definitely better than the 600 megahertz frequency that's not allowed in the United States any longer. So 900 megahertz seems to broadcast through trees and houses much better. Again, this is a residential neighborhood, but I don't think this gets any interference from cell phones because it's on a completely different frequency.